Think solar panels are too expensive? Think again. Here's why it's a great time to invest. Hello, I'm John from Volkswagen. I'm passionate about solar power, saving money on energy bills, and exploring ways to lend a hand to our beautiful planet. In the space of 1 year, solar panels have halved in price, improved in quality, and they now pack more power than ever. £80 will buy an outstanding solar panel right now. A modest system could cost around £5,000 fully installed and save up to £900 a year. These systems save a percentage of your electricity bill. So the higher your bill is, the more you stand to save. The thing with solar though is it only works while the sun is shining. So what about the rest of the time? Well, click here to find out more. And please click like and subscribe to stay informed. And if there's any topics you'd like to see more videos on, let me know.